how to make candles. So I'm going to teach you how to make candles, how to prepare them. And here are the materials of making candles. We have molding machine, we have candle wax, threads, color, stove, and saucepan. Prepare your mold and make it ready for use. As you see, pour some cooking oil in your mold. I've already put it on the stove. Now we are going to first sweat it, first melt it, and put it to our mold. Get the thread, make it pass through the holes of the mold, respectively, as you see I'm doing. Use a plier to tighten well the mold for easy putting in your wax from leaking. Put colors of your choice. We have many colors of using this. We have green, blue, white, as usual. So don't be there and think that there is one color, only white, which you can put in your wax. Cut the thread beginning with the bottom. Don't cut in the sides of the mold. Cut in the middle. If you cut it in the sides, the threads will end up removing themselves outside. Open your mold and remove your finished candles because they are now ready for use. So my conclusion is, don't be there and you think that this is for joke. You are there thinking that you cannot do it. You can't do it. Our culture is just there. What you think, your skills. So don't be there and minimize yourself. Believe in yourself. Be proud of yourself. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook. That's all.